What's good? What's good? It's literally the middle of the night, 12:38 a.m. I guess that's not the middle of the night, but it is for me when I go to bed early. I woke up to Bitcoin at 104K. Gala flying, just as we were looking for with that inverse head and shoulders. So we're sitting at 0.01763. We're up 15% on the day. Seeing market cap 781 million, 24-hour volume 85 million. So if we look at the chart, as you can see off the low, we have 5 waves up, wave 2 pullback, exploded to the upside. So once we break 0.01827, that's more confirmation of continuation, but it's looking really, really good because if we zoom out, we have that beautiful inverse head and shoulders. We're about to break the neckline, and once we break that neckline, then we can head up towards 0.02798. Left shoulder head, right shoulder back above the daily EMAs, and then we can see that continuation, and this could be a bear market low for Gala. So shout out to everyone that got back in the 1 cent range. You're about to be extremely rewarded in my opinion. So that's what we want to see. Now we can start counting it. We have a wave 1 to the upside, that's a wave 2 pullback, and now we look to push up in a 3, 4, 5. I'll give you a target as well as make this wave count into sub-micro. Bro, that's the wrong one. Sorry, guys. Get it together, Jax. Sub-micro, please. Thank you very much. So all you need to do is take a trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of 1 to the top, down to the bottom of 2. And as you can see, that target will take you all the way up to the 161.8, normal target for a 3, which is all the way up at 0.02985. All right, gang, that's what we're looking for. Gala, we love to see it. Make sure to join my Discord while you can. It's free for the next couple days. Then you'll have to sign up through the affiliate again. But as of right now, you can lock in your spot for free just for a couple more days. It includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects. My exact crypto trade setups. We're currently in a trade for Ethereum on its way to TP1. What I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. All links down below. Top of the comments. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.